Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Reddit enthusiast like me, you know that communities are where the magic happens. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to effectively search within the community so you can find exactly what you're looking for. Start by opening the Reddit community you want to search. Make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. By opening the page, look for the 3 lines in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on them. In the drop-down menu, select the community in which you want to search. Click on it. Once you're in the community, find the search bar. This is usually at the top of the community page. This is where the magic happens. Enter your search query in the search bar. It can be a specific topic, keyword, or even a user you're looking for in that community. Press enter and voila! Reddit will present you with results tailored to your community. Scroll through the results to find the most relevant posts or discussions. So there you have it, a quick tutorial on how to search the Reddit community. Now you can easily navigate your favorited subreddits and find the content that matters most to you. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Reddit tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy Reddit searching.